Hello everyone. So I'm going to show you how to use Cursor along with VS Code to create an agent. So we're talking about agentic AI. Create an agent that will chat with us. We'll use the Anthropic API and we'll create this agent through that. So on my right, you find the Cursor chatbot. So what I did here is I had some code here. So first of all, I created these files. So you have a virtual environment file. In the virtual environment file, I had all this. I created a .env file. In .env file, I have the Anthropic API key. So Anthropic API key you can get from the Anthropic website. And then I have a Python program called main.py. So what I did, I put this in the chat box. I put this question. I had some code in main.py. I said, please modify this code to create a chatbot agent using Chat Anthropic. So it answers, I'll help you modify the code to create an interactive chatbot agent using Chat Anthropic. Here's the enhanced version. So the beauty here is I can clearly see the code here and I can accept the code as it is. So I accepted the code, and what you see on the main.py file is the code generated by Cursor. So Cursor is the latest option that we have, and Cursor is supposed to be very good. Now we will run this code and run this Python code and see how does the agent work. So I will create more videos to start from scratch, how you start from scratch, but let's do it. Now the file name is main.py. I can run this code by saying I have Python 3 loaded. So I will run this code using Python 3 main.py, and I press enter. So it asks me enter your message. So let me ask it a question. What is the meaning of life? When I write what is the meaning of life and press enter, it will take some time and it gives me the answer. The answer is, that's one of humanity's oldest and most profound questions. While there's no universal answer, I aim to explore it thoughtfully while acknowledging uncertainty. I think meaning can come from many sources: relationships, personal growth, helping others, pursuing knowledge, creating art, etc. What aspects of life feel most meaningful to you? And so on. Similarly, I can ask other questions. Please explain the Raman effect, for example. So I've asked this question. So this is my personal chatbot and I have created using an API. It answers me saying that the Raman effect discovered by Indian physicists. So I can enlarge it. The Raman effect discovered by Indian physicist C.V. Raman in 1928 is a phenomenon in which light interacts with matter, resulting in a small portion of the scattered light having a different wavelength than the incident light. Here's a detailed explanation, and so on. So this way I can keep on going and keep asking questions. And if I have to refresh the screen, I can say quit. Quit gets me out of the program. And then again, if I have to run this, I can press the up arrow key and it will run again. And if I say clear, if I type clear, it clears the messages before that. And if I type quit, it goes out of it. So now this way I've created an agent with the help of Cursor. It took me less than 2 minutes to do this, and I will talk about other details later on. Hope this was helpful. Thank you very much.